what's up guys, Dasari here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Avon unboxing and a makeup review. I'm super excited. My package came this morning at like 9 a.m. so I was like, I have to film this right now. I'm super excited because I did order the Avon True Color, and this is the liquid foundation. And if you guys have watched any of my makeup videos, I do not hardly even wear foundation, let alone liquid foundation. I usually always wear like the powder kind, but I was like, I want to try this. I am an Avon representative, so I get like my little discounts or whatever, so I'm like, I'll go ahead and try this out. So let's see, it says on the back samples. Oh no, okay, blah blah blah. Yeah, these are the samples, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, it really doesn't say anything, it's just saying what kind of sample it is. So yeah, let me go ahead and check this out. They come in the little packets. I did get the sample form and not the actual adult size. So there's a little tear here. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and I am going to be using my what's that, Basic Beauty Simple Elegance, the Pro Beauty Sponge. It's basically like a beauty blender, but just from a different company pretty much, but it's basically the same exact thing, just cheaper. So yeah, this is practically brand new. I haven't even used it yet, so looks like that. I haven't even used a beauty blender before, so I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, let me see. Ooh, and it's definitely my skin tone, so I don't know if you guys can see that color. Let me put it on the sponge so you guys can get it better. It's like brownish because I'm brown skin, so I'm gonna go ahead. I have a lot of like dark pigmentation like around my lips, my chin, and I do have like acne scars. When I get pimples, I tend to rip my pimple off, which is not good, and then I get a scar. So let me go ahead and I have like a marks right there. That's blending in actually really nicely. Let me do my upper lip and see how that's. Like I said, like on my chin, I have a lot of acne scars. This is actually blending in really nicely. My lighting is not that good. As you guys can see, I am filming in my kitchen because I cannot film in the bathroom because my daughter likes to bust in there and the video will never get done. So I just had to do it right here. She's with her dad right now, so I can get this, knock this video out. But yes, you guys, I'm really liking this. And what color is this? This says Ideal Nude Liquid Foundation. So when I think of nude, I think of like I don't want to say like pale, like I think of light like tan beige kind of nude, but no, they mean like nude, like your skin tone nude. So oh yes, you guys, I really like this. This is only like half of my face. I'm not gonna do my whole face, but I just wanted to get the areas that is like dark, which is like around my mouth and chin and everything. And in the light, do you guys see this? It actually blended into my skin really good. So I'm satisfied. This packet was like, I think like $1.50, you guys, off Avon. And I am gonna have a code for this if you guys are interested in getting this actual foundation. I'll leave in the description box right now. You can get a discount, and if you shop with a certain amount of money, you will get free shipping. So I'll leave all that info in the description as well. And as I said before, I am a Avon representative, so I always get the best deals, the best percentages off and everything like that. And I did get some new brochures in the mail. Here's one of them right here, and this is for campaign 5. So there's that one. I have this one right here, which is the Spring is Here brochure. I have some of the bigger ones, the What's New. There's one right here, and all of these is for campaign 5 and 6, which is going on right now. So if you want to shop, you do not need an actual brochure or actual pamphlet. You can go to my website, which is youravon.com/DawsonMarie with 1 E, and you can shop every single thing that's in these magazines right here. So here's that one, and then they have the Shop for the Greater Goods pamphlet right here, and then they have the outlet ones, which is for like the jewelry. So all of these are on my website. I will leave everything in the description box below. And yeah, so if you guys are in the Los Angeles area or OC area and looking for an Avon woman, I'm your girl right here. I can, you know, meet up and give you guys brochures if you like them in person and you're not like internet savvy. I know for like the older women, but if you can order online and you like know how to work and everything like that, just go to my description below, sign up for the newsletters. There's always sweepstakes, giveaways, things like that. And if you guys are interested in selling Avon yourself, also go to the link. You could sign up and I could be your mentor, and that's another way to make extra money, because I know with this whole YouTuber program that's going on, a lot of people are looking for extra money, so this is a perfect and great way to add some extra income to your household. But yeah, that's it so far for this little makeup review. I'm really satisfied with this. If you have any more questions, oh, the color is deep. There you go. The color is deep. I was looking for the color this whole time and it said it right there. So anyways, if you guys have any questions about this foundation or the magazines or Avon in general, just leave them in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.